Hello everyone, this is Sumit and this is the 8th video of pygame tutorial series, which is also the 4th video of join the dots. And in last couple of videos we have seen how to put the dots on the screen, how to make multiple screens and how to make different types of things. And in this video we will continue the last video. So let's get started. As before, let's copy all the code from the last tutorial and paste over here. And now to make the vertical hover effect, we just need to make some changes in the horizontal hover effect. So first thing, we need to change the -1 to the I, because we are gonna do something for the vertical, and let's say vertical, and for the next code, and there we just need to change 1, because in this time the x value, we will check the x value of the position for the -30, because x value would be the same for all points, that is start point and the next point. So let's try, and there is something wrong. I think I didn't change. Yeah, that's there. So let's try again, run again, and as you can see here, it's working perfectly. So let's do the couple of things for the click events. So I'm just copying that code and I will paste under the mouse event. So let me adjust the indentation, and now I'm just copying that, and let's remove that, because we are already checking, and there should be a vertical, because we are doing for the vertical, and here should be, there, event.pause, and I think that's it. Now let's run again. Oh, there is an indentation here, so let's adjust this, and now it's working perfectly. So that's enough for this video. Make sure you have subscribed this channel to get the latest video from this channel, and take care. Bye bye.